Hello my dear student, Geometry lecture number 14, chapter number 3, Circle. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 3.5, page number 82. Question number 1. In a circle, ray PQ touches the circle at point Q. PQ is equal to 12, PR is equal to 8 and PS, find PS and RS. Now try to understand. This is a circle given. In this circle, this is a secant PS and this is a tangent PQ at point Q, and PQ is equal to 12 given and PR is equal to 8 given. Find PS and RS. So this question is based on tangent secant segment. So that you write down first. Okay. Solution. By tangent secant segment theorem, PR into PS is equal to PQ square, and therefore 8 into PS is equal to 144, and therefore PS is equal to 144 upon 8 is equal to 18. So PS is equal to 18. Now RS is equal to PS minus PR. So RS is equal to PS minus PR is equal to 18 minus 8 is equal to 10, and therefore RS is equal to 10. Okay. Question number 2. In a circle chord MN and chord RS intersect at point D, RD is equal to 15, DS is equal to 4, MD is equal to 8, find DN. Okay. Now this is a circle with center D given. This is a chord MN. This is a chord RS. Intersect each other at point D, which is interior of the circle. So that you use theorem. Okay. So internal division theorem. So try to understand solution. By theorem of chords intersecting inside the circle, MD into DN is equal to RD into DS. So MD into DN is equal to RD into DS. MD is equal to 8 given. 8 into DN is equal to 15 into 4. Therefore DN is equal to 15 into 4 upon 8. This and this is divisible. 4 2s are 8. So DN is equal to 15 upon 2, and therefore DN is equal to 7.5. Okay. Question number 3. In circle with center O, B is contact point, seg OE perpendicular seg AD, AB is equal to 12, AC is equal to 8, find AD DCD. Okay. Now in this case, this is a tangent given and this is a secant, and therefore you use tangent secant segment theorem. Okay. Now try to understand solution. By tangent secant segment theorem, AC into AD is equal to AB square. So AC is equal to 8 given. 8 into AD is equal to 144, and therefore AD, this AD is equal to 144 upon 8 is equal to 18. So AD is equal to 18. Then DC is equal to, so DC, this is DC, DC is equal to AD minus AC. AD minus AC is equal to 18 minus 8 is equal to 10, and therefore DC is equal to 10. Now in this case, this is a perpendicular to this secant given, that means it is perpendicular to chord DC. So the perpendicular drawn from the center of circle to the chord bisect the chord, and therefore this DE is equal to half of what DC. So since OE perpendicular AD and therefore OE perpendicular CD chord and perpendicular drawn from the center bisect the chord, and therefore DE is equal to 1 upon 2 DC is equal to DC is equal to 10 upon 2 is equal to 5, and hence DE is equal to 5. Okay. Question number 4. In a circle secant TP containing chord TS and secant RP containing chord RQ intersect at point P, which is what in the exterior of circle. PS is equal to 8, PQ is equal to 6, RQ is equal to 10. Find TS. Okay. Now in this case you use theorem of chord intersecting outside the circle. Solution. By theorem of chords intersecting outside the circle, TP into PS is equal to RP into PQ, and therefore TP into 8 is equal to 16 into 6. Here RP is equal to RQ plus what QP. So therefore TP is equal to 16 into 6 upon 8. 8 2s are 2 into 6 12, and therefore TP is equal to 12. Now TS, you want TS is equal to TP minus what PS. So TS is equal to TP minus PS is equal to 12 minus 8 is equal to 4, and therefore TS is equal to 4. Okay. Question number 5. This is the last question of this chapter, which is what important, slightly complicated. Try to understand. Not very difficult. Okay. Sec EF is diameter, sec DF is tangent segment, radius of circle is R. Prove that DE into GE is equal to 4R square. Okay, so first I explain you. Here I use two properties. Okay, so one is Pythagoras theorem and one is tangent and secant segment property. Okay, now then you try to understand. Now you know this is a right angle triangle because this is a tangent. This is what 90 degree by tangent theorem, and therefore this angle is right angle triangle, and therefore DE square is equal to DF square plus EF square. But EF is diameter, so EF is equal to 2R, EF square is equal to 4R square. Then you find the value of DF by means of tangent secant property theorem. Okay, so DF square is equal to DE into DG, and then what, you substitute some values and get what your answer. Okay, now here you try to understand. In triangle DEF, angle DFE is equal to 90 degree, tangent theorem, and therefore DE square is equal to DF square plus EF square. Pythagoras theorem, statement number 1. but EF is diameter given, therefore EF is equal to 2R, and therefore EF square is equal to 4R square, and this value you substitute in equation number 1, and therefore DE square, this you transfer on this side, minus DF square is equal to 4R square. For this EF square you substitute this value from 1 equation number 2, and then you find what DF square. Now DF square is equal to DE into DG. So DF square is equal to DE into DG, tangent secant segment theorem, and this value you substitute here, and therefore DE square minus DE into DG is equal to 4R square. Now here you take DE common, so DE common into bracket DE minus DG is equal to 4R square, but DE minus DG is equal to GE. So what is that? DE minus DG is equal to what? GE, and therefore for this bracket you write down GE. So therefore DE into GE is equal to 4R square. Okay, go through this example again so that you understand. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any questions regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.